Good evening, classmates. Today we're going to talk about Thurgood Marshall. Thurgood Marshall was born on July 2nd, 1908 in Baltimore, Maryland. Growing up, he went to segregated schools. He later attended Lincoln University, an all-black college, before he eventually got his law degree from Howard University. Between the years of 1931 and 1961, he served as an attorney for the NAACP. He was best known for winning the Brown versus Board of Education case, which the court declared state laws established separate public schools for black and white students to be unconstitutional due to violating the 14th Amendment. Of the Brown versus Board of Education case, let's just say that my dog here wants to play in the big dog park, which offers the same amount of toys, the same amount of space to run around in, the same amount of food and water provided. But she's not allowed to go in there because she's small. Well, the court would rule that the park was violating the 14th Amendment, which declares that cannot limit the rights of citizens, or in this case, dogs. It states that cannot take away life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Later in 1961, Thurgood Marshall was appointed as a judge for the United States Second Circuit Court of Appeals by John F. Kennedy. In 1965, President Lyndon B. Johnson appointed Marshall to serve as the first black U.S. Solicitor General. And in 1967, President Johnson appointed Marshall to the Supreme Court, becoming the first African American member, where he served for the next 24 years. Sadly, after a long, successful life, Thurgood Marshall died on January 24th, 1993. Good evening, classmates.
You're an idiot. I'm watching you.
Thurgood Marshall.